Hello everyone. If you want to convert a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation using Adobe Acrobat, follow the simple step. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer, and once you land on the application, make sure to move the cursors towards the create option given at the top of the screen. It shows different options. From here, you have two options. You can just simply tap create a PDF, or you can just open the existing PDF through your window explorer. Then make sure to browse to the location where your PDF file is saved. Once you find the PDF file, click on it once to select it, then click open at the bottom of the window, and your PDF will now open inside the Adobe Acrobat. You can now start zooming in, out, printing, or use any other tools if you want. After that, you can see that there are different options available within the All Tools section at the left panel. From the options, tap on Export a PDF, and it will again open a screen called Convert. Within the export window, you will see several formats. Select Microsoft PowerPoint as the output format. After selecting the PowerPoint, click Convert, and it is important to note that the feature is only available for Adobe Acrobat subscription accounts like Acrobat Pro, so the free reader accounts cannot export PDFs to PowerPoint. But if you have already subscribed, and when you tap on Convert, the Acrobat will process your PDF and convert it into a PowerPoint file. Once the conversion is complete, a Save As window will appear, and choose the folder where you want to save the file while giving it name, and then click Save. And now your PDF has been converted into a PowerPoint presentation which is ready to open and edit in Microsoft PowerPoint. And that's it. With a subscription account, exporting PDFs to PowerPoint is quick and easy in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.